What's up, YouTube? It's your boy Dalen the GOAT, and I am back at it with another video. And today we got the Ox Pack unboxing part 2. That's right, part 2. As you already know, you seen the last video. I got the, you know what I'm saying, Hat Club Cubs graduation pack, my Grail hat. I got 2 of them. So, Hat Club, they sent me 2 7.5s. What I thought. My first one was 7.5. The second was tagged 7.5. But I tried to put it on, it just wouldn't fit like the other one. So I checked all the tags. Both of the stickers, one on the front said 7.5. That'd be on top of the rim, and the one under said 7.5. They got a SKU number. So I looked inside to where it says 7.5 right here. And to my surprise, it says 7/1/4. Hat Club sent me a 7/1/4 of my Grail hat. Now, I already got one right there. Actually, alright, you know what I'm saying, I had to put on my Grail hat. Yeah, Hat Club. Yes, sir. But you know, this sent me a 7/1/4. So shout out to my guys at Straight Cap, bruh. Thank you, bro. I ended up trading that 7/1/4 for some more heat that y'all will see later on. But you know what I'm saying? Let's get this thing poppin'. This go. Today, as y'all already saw in the intro, bro, we got the Grail on. We got the Hat Club Ox Pack Graduation from Kanye West's best album, in my honest opinion. I don't know why I'm looking over here. Let me look at y'all. But check them out. One of the best hats ever created, in my opinion. I'm over here looking hard as hell in the camera. My Grail hat. Had 2 of them, but one of them was a 7/1/4. Shout out to Straight Cap for coming through with the trade. Smooth trade. I appreciate those guys. Got the habanero red undervisor, black sweatband, Angry Bear. I love it. I love it. Today was a pretty weird day at work. We're gonna get these aromas going because today was just so awkward. Like, y'all already know the vibes. Riding till the wheels fall off. Peach lily, pineapple lily. Let's get this thing going. Yeah, today, how was y'all day today? Let me know how everything going, for real. I be trying to bring the good vibes with my videos. Today was weird, hoping for better ones. But today over with, so we're finna start another one. Hopefully I can bring some joy with each and every video that I do. But without further ado, we about to get into this unboxing. But yeah, like I was saying, it grew on me. So we about to get into this unboxing. But the story how I got it, I ended up checking the Discord app. If you know, you know, Hat Club has its own Discord, so they got the group chat going, and MV Panda, she sent the password and the notification, added everybody. Now some people be hating, they be like, no, don't do this anymore. We don't want this many people going for the drops, you know what I'm saying? Hey, to each his own. If I didn't know about that, I wasn't gonna be able to get the hat. So shout out to Panda for giving the password, and I ended up copping with Apple Pay. I'm telling y'all, this is the key. Apple Pay and fast fingers. If you got Apple Pay and Shop Pay set up, bro, most important to me, Apple Pay. I win every time. Every time I go for it. Graduation, I got it twice. Apple Pay, iPad, and iPhone. I'm telling y'all, this is the sauce for real. Go ahead and set up Apple Pay, because by the time you set up that first digit in your credit card, that had it sold out. So get Apple Pay. So I ended up getting it. I thought my Wi-Fi was bad. I was at school walking to the cafeteria, and I was walking and literally clicking Apple Pay, and I ended up getting it. So I'm really happy. I can't wait to see it. This will be my New York Yankees, 2 Cubs, my 4th Ox Pack in my hands. I never thought I'd get one, but let's get into it. We got the trusty old box cutter. We're about to get into this thing. I don't think I'm gonna do the old getting ready to wear part, because it's about 12 a.m. or something. I just got out of work. Just got finished with 2 essays. I'm a little tired. Sorry. I'm gonna try to keep this thing not short, but entertaining for everybody. I love when my videos entertaining. Sometimes I go back and watch, and sometimes I don't. I kind of be self-conscious. But get that paperwork. We don't read it. We know what it actually. We might have to, but because Hat Club sent me a 714 last time. 74. That stands for 7.5. Let's hope this is an actual 7.5. Let me see. We got our Oxpack pen. Boom. And you already know we got left. Hold on. Emphasis on that. You know we got left. Bam. Y'all see that? We got the Houston Astros Oxpack with a mocha brown, white and blue on the star as the lettering in the album from Scarface. You see it. You see the outlines of blue and white with this. Is that black and navy? I think it's black. A clean little patch on the side with that 2004 All-Star game. We got metallic hits on there with a smooth gray bottom and a black sweatband. It gotta be Bangladesh. I was China. Oh, hold on. Yeah, this is gonna be a nice little addition. I'm not gonna cap to you. This is a nice little addition to the collection. I ain't gonna like do anything to it now because I want to keep it DS. That's what I'm gonna start like back doing. I like to keep some of them DS until I'm ready to wear them because you never know what might come along. You might want to do a trade. Even though I like to keep all my hats. But we finna review this bad boy. It got nice polyester. Seriously. You can see the material's good on here. Like, let's get into it for real. Metallic gold stitching. I don't know if y'all can see this too good. That's my fault. It's a good grade, to be honest. Man, we got that black flat batter, man. It is not raised. Nice mocha hat. Yeah, this would definitely begin worn. I don't know when, but you know, Scarface, he's from Texas, so they did the Houston Astros for his Oxpack hat. Pretty simple, clean hat, for real. And it fits nice. I don't know because of the, what's this made with? This polyester. It's 100% polyester. This 100. I don't know why they feel different. They both 100% polyester, but this one feels better for some reason. I don't know. We got Oxpacks. Oxpack on Oxpack, bro. For real. Y'all don't know. But this concludes this week's unboxing. This week, probably, I got some more videos coming, but this concludes today's unboxing. Make sure y'all like, comment, subscribe, share, and turn on post notifications because we are on the road to 900 subscribers and we're almost there. We're at 890 as I'm speaking right now. So let's try to get to a 900, then we get to 1,000. I'm trying to figure out what the giveaway gonna be. Stuck in between pins and hats and both. So just tap in with your boy. And with that being said, peace.